Mr. Dier explores rules, laws, responsibilities, and rights for good citizens. Rules. What is a rule? A rule is something that tells you how to act. Rules keep us safe or tell us to do the right thing. Rules help us become good citizens. When you break a rule, there are consequences. For example, you may get a timeout if you push someone in the hallway. Examples of rules: no pushing, no talking in class, no one calls out without raising their hands, no running in the hallway. Can you think of any more rules? Laws. What is a law? A law is a rule for the whole community. A law can help communities keep their citizens safe and do the right thing. When you follow the law, you are being a good citizen. When you break the law, there are also consequences. A consequence for breaking the law could be a fine, and you must pay money to the community. Another consequence could be jail. Examples of laws: you must stop your car at a red light. You are not allowed to steal. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bicycle. You cannot talk on the phone when you drive a car. Can you think of any more laws? Responsibility. What is a responsibility? A responsibility is a job that you should do. We all have responsibilities. It is our responsibility to follow rules and laws. We all have different responsibilities. Police keep us safe. Doctors make us well. Students do their homework. Examples of responsibilities: doing your homework, helping your parents put away the groceries, following rules and laws. Teachers are responsible for their students' learning. Can you think of any more responsibilities? Rights. What is a right? A right is a freedom that is given to us. We all have rights. Children have the right to learn in school. Adults have the right to vote in elections. A right is different from a privilege. A privilege can be taken away if we do the wrong thing. Recess is a privilege. It can be taken away if we do the wrong thing in school. Examples of rights: adults can vote. Children can go to school. We have the right to say and do what we believe. We have the right to be happy. Can you think of any more rights? Good citizens. If we are responsible and follow the rules and laws, we become good citizens. We have a responsibility to make sure that we use our rights and that everyone has rights as well. Remember, every action or something that we do has a reaction. A reaction happens because of an action. A good action always has a good reaction, and a bad action always has a bad reaction. We must try to do our best to do good things so we can become good citizens. Now you will know how to be good citizens. Here are some words that were used in this presentation. If you need help with those words, here is what they mean. You can find this whole entire presentation inside your classwork. Thank you again.